If you're at rock bottom right now, this is exactly what you're gonna do. This is the controversial method I used to pull me out of the worst downward spiral I'd ever been in, to come back better than I'd ever been to start with. I had just gone through a painful breakup, had a car full of possessions and like $70 to my name, no home, couch surfing at friends' houses, the least confidence and the most anxiety I'd ever had in my whole life. I had two options: continue spiraling into self-destruction, which was extremely tempting, or use the pain as fuel. The deeper the pain, the stronger the fuel. And if you leave that kind of energy stagnant, it'll wreak havoc on your mental health. You need to burn it all. And this is the controversial part, because people will tell you need to sit with it, you need to feel it, lean into it. But this is for those of you who are done with that and want to get to the part where you come out on top. This is the exact method I took myself through every single day for 3 months straight. Cold shower as soon as I wake up. I don't care about any of the other health benefits. There is no time to think or feel when you're freezing cold. 10-minute breath work at the start and end of every day. Breath work is the fastest way to reach a meditative state, and you can use a meditative state to brainwash yourself into thinking positively and proactively. Challenging workouts twice a day. Physically burn that emotional fuel away and glow up while you're at it. Fasting and black coffee for at least 16 hours a day. This keeps you mentally sharp and focused. Block anything online that triggers that feeling. Gatekeep your energy like your life depends on it until you know you're strong enough to handle external influences. Spend every spare minute learning about things that are going to help you grow. Keep your mind busy, or it'll default to mental activity that doesn't do you any good. After following this routine for 3 months, I was completely transformed. Mentally, physically, emotionally better than I'd ever been in my life. One thing they don't tell you about rock bottom is that it's the most solid ground to build upon. Like Nietzsche said, one must need to be strong, otherwise one will never become strong. Repeat after me. Brick by brick, I'm going to come back better and stronger. You got this.